Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have Cran with me, and Crans. So today we're gonna be doing a recipe that, where did this recipe come from?
It was a recipe that I saw on TV, and I just changed out some of the ingredients to make it sugar-free and flour-free.
Really? Okay.
Really good cinnamon muffins that are sugar-free and flour-free.
What could possibly be in there? They do taste incredible. Anyway, they're really tasty, sugar-free, flour-free since 2003. A lot of requests for this recipe on Instagram.
Really?
All right, here we go. Here we go.
So first, we're gonna put all our dry ingredients in a bowl. So I have a cup and a half of almond flour.
Cup and a half of almond flour.
A third of a cup of flaxseed meal.
Third of a cup. What is flaxseed meal?
Oh, please. Flaxseed ground up.
Oh, okay.
Ever heard of it?
All right.
A teaspoon of baking powder. Quarter of a cup of toasted coconut.
Unsweetened coconut.
Unsweetened. Yes,
Unsweetened
of course.
coconut.
Unsweetened coconut. And then we're going to put in a quarter of a teaspoon of nutmeg and a teaspoon and a half of
Don't worry, I'll wait.
teaspoon and a half of cinnamon.
Mom.
Quarter of a teaspoon of salt. There we go. You whisk these around. Okay, so these are all the dry ingredients, all whisked up together. Now we're going to set this aside, and we're going to do our wet ingredients. So we have a half a cup of melted coconut oil.
Whoa.
So, and then you put in a half a cup of confectioners erythritol.
We've ordered this on Amazon, but you got it at
I get it at Sprouts.
Sprouts has it.
Okay, and you mix those together until they're combined.
Can you show your new shoes on camera?
Can I what?
Show off your new shoes. Your new
What do I do? How do I get them up there?
just
Really?
just
Really?
Whoa! Gran!
So we have our confectioners and our coconut oil all mixed up. And since it's warm, because for coconut oil to stay melted, it has to be warm because it solidifies really quickly. So you need to have your eggs at room temperature. So make sure you take those out before you get started.
They're sweating.
The trick here is you have to do one at a time.
When I look at an egg, I just think of Patrick Star now. Did you see that?
Yeah.
When he transformed himself into an egg.
There's actually 5 eggs in here.
Wow.
And these are French eggs. That's why the yolks are so dark.
Are they actually French eggs or are
Yeah, we go to France and get them.
they Cran? Oh, here's the vanilla.
Here's the vanilla.
Cran's bougie vanilla.
A teaspoon. It's just 100% vanilla bean. It's just really good. It's very expensive, but it's really good. It's worth it. It's not bourbon as in whiskey bourbon.
Oh.
It's the bourbon island of Madagascar.
Oh.
Ever
Yeah.
heard of it?
Yeah.
And a half a cup of half and half, also at room temperature.
What would you do if I wasn't here?
I don't know. I would die. I wouldn't be able to do this. All right, so we have our dry ingredients. We're going to add our wet ingredients.
Oh, she let me stir.
She's not happy about it.
Am I doing it wrong?
And I have about a half a cup of chopped walnuts.
These are a pleasant surprise when you're eating these. This is very wet.
Yes, the batter is very, very runny.
Yeah.
So I just sprayed the pan with coconut oil.
Do you not want me to help? Is that?
Yeah, you can help.
So you're going just a little bit left over at the top because they grow, right?
Yeah.
John, do you like these or are they not sweet enough for you?
To me, this isn't my favorite dessert.
This is more like definitely very good with your coffee.
Yeah, it's not really a dessert.
It's not. It's like a muffin.
It's a muffin.
Come on, Cran.
Right.
Now,
Mini muffins. This is good because this is a better ratio of frosting to muffin.
That's pretty much the whole game.
It's basically a muffin top at this point. Nobody really wants the bottom half of a muffin, right, John? You have a muffin top pan?
yeah,
Well, what are we doing all this for?
I don't know.
The charade.
This whole charade.
Okay, so in this little bowl, I have 2 tablespoons of granular erythritol, which is the granular swerve. Teaspoon and a half of cinnamon. Okay, so then you just a little bit on the top.
Mm-hmm. Yes. And then walnuts.
And then I'm sprinkling walnuts on here. Ready to go in the oven.
Ready for the oven.
Okay, well, we took them out of the oven and I popped them out of the pan. And actually, I just did a little twist and pulled them out, and they came out like perfect.
Just like that.
And I did cook them for 18 minutes, and it seems to be just the perfect amount of time for these little guys. And so now we're gonna make the cream cheese icing, and it's basically, obviously, cream cheese. I have about 3 ounces in here. I have about 3 tablespoons of heavy cream, and I'm going to put a splash of vanilla. And I am going to put in about a tablespoon and a half of the confectioners swerve.
I also did an outfit change because
That's the only thing you've done this whole
That's-
video.
I was trying to be cute with my shirt.
How is this different than
and
any
it's-
other day?
Shots fired!
Cran! You see that? That is what we call karma, Cran. That's karma cran right there.
Then you just keep stirring and stirring until you get to a pretty good consistency here.
Okay, what do you think?
I think they're
You know what
adorable.
we have to do is we have to do a taste test.
Ugh.
What? Is that?
You know me. I'm not a sweet.
Here we go. All right, you guys. So this is the final product. These are cinnamon
Cinnamon muffins.
bun. I wouldn't go that far.
Cinnamon muffins.
Cinnamon muffins. All right.
Okay.
So we're going in for the taste test. Do you want to do like ASMR right now?
Pretty good, huh?
This is kind of like a mukbang.
Look at that. No crumblies. It's not flying everywhere. You know, I like these don't have the
Paper.
I've eaten a lot of paper. All right, you guys. So that wraps up our episode of Cooking with Cran. I think I'm just gonna start saying sugar-free, flour-free.
Yeah.
It sounds better,
Get
huh?
in trouble with the word.
I do. Sugar-free, flour-free, cinnamon muffins. We're gonna head out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
That's her agent.
Is this your agent, Cran? Flax is hot right now.
It's the new kale, they say.
Yeah. Taz doesn't have an apron. You should get her.
Oh my god.
You should get her a tiny apron. Cran, does my height ever intimidate you?
Always.
This is the
Temptation?
first time that she's ever been on my team. My whole life.
Action.
Well, wasn't ready yet.
Up the hill they go.
A little less this, Turb.